very useful to remove any debris and actually clean the phone. So I don't have the most steady hands, but hopefully we'll do it correctly. Man, there still are a few debris. I don't know if you can see them on camera, but it's driving me insane. So I think we're ready now. Let's do it. I think I did it correctly. So what do you think? It's okay. The sides are black. It looks even better like this. Applying the Dbrand Something Skin. I think I will apply this later, not sure, but yeah, looks great as it is. So thanks for watching. I'll talk to you in my next video.